Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Fazil. So today I will present my part, which is result for activity 1 for lab 9. So for this activity, as you can see at the slide, there's a figure 3.1. There are series R1 and VR1 circuit, and there are oscilloscope setting at the parallel at the variable resistor. So for the parameter of the circuit, VIC supply is 14.6 volt with which 50 Hz, and R1 is 100 ohm, and VR1 is setting to 1 k ohm. So after that, this simulation will be at the protest. So this the result at the protest. So this the circuit. As you can see, this the VSC. CR1 is a variable resistor already setting which is the parameter based on the given lab sheet. So this is your oscilloscope. So as you can see, there are three waves. First is a VSC supply. Second is after the first resistor R1. After that, the waveform after the variable resistor. So the yellow is for the VSC supply. So I figure about the V peak and the VRMS by setting the cursor and setting the high peak. So I can see, as you can see at the protest, 20.50 volt. So for the at the V peak at the variable resistor, 1.8 1.9 millivolt, 700 millivolt, and for the last waveform is for the across resistor R1. So this the V peak is 18.50 volt. So for the result, so this V peak, the V peak to peak is V peak times 2. So VRMS 0.353 times by the V peak value. So for the period, the period of the waveform, and I got the frequency. So I will find for the three waveform. So this is the my value for activity 1. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq. So today in this video I want to show you to simulate the AC measurement. So in activity 2, I have to do is to adjust 200 ohm at variable resistor. So to begin to conduct this simulation, I put this probe at the resistor 1 to get the voltage reading on the resistor here. So I begin to reading. Here the graph showing this is, I assume this is oscilloscope. This is showing the sinusoidal waveform, and the result here is 7.2 at the voltage reading here. So for the next to read the voltage reading on the variable resistor, just simply put the positive probe here and put the negative probe here. So we begin to reading right here. So the value is still remaining the same as the voltage reading resistor 1. So that's all for my video presentation, and thank you.